guess we're gonna do another one just to show you guys. Nervous about passing tech. That's it. Kind of messed up. Alright, so the checklist says registration, matching VIN. We got the registration, but we just realized that that's the wrong one for a different car. We got 3 of them. So that's in Virginia. Now, the horn, I think the button works, but the horn itself, like, it's not hooked up, so we gotta buy a horn. Headlights, tail lights, turn signals, all that stuff works, and then we don't have a rear view mirror. That's gonna be a problem. So I'm not sure. I mean, we're gonna try to see if we're gonna figure something out. We're probably not gonna be in the competition because of this reason, but we should be able to still race the car on the track because we're not gonna be driving it on the street. This is just for driving it on the street. We'll just be testing tuning. If anything, we'll just do this track. We'll do Orlando since they're closed, and then we'll just pick up all the drag cars from the shop and head home. If we can get away with it, you know what I'm saying? Like,
I mean, we drove 2
you know,
hours. At least we'll do one pass.
If we grease somebody's hand,
yeah,
you know, it might happen, but we'll see. Sick weed. Hold up, man. Let me turn this shit off. We go here. We passed tech. So we had registration, matching VINs, our horn worked. Headlights, tail lights, turn signal, and brake lights, those 100% worked. And the rear view mirror, we also had one. So that checked out. They only set us up for the 11.5 class. We already knew that the car has no cage. We can't go faster than 11.5. Given that the car makes around 450 or 400, that should get us close to that 1150. It's already signed. You know, we're not pulling a trailer. We're just what we have here is what we're taking. This is for later. We already gave Wyatt one. And yeah, primary driver 2, so I'm pretty sure John can drive the car too, don't matter.
sick.
But we're signed to they have classes broken down. We're in 6-week freaks class, so it involves 4-cylinders, 6-cylinders, diesels, and rotaries and electric cars.
Alright, so I got a bet. Says you're doing tomorrow, right? Friday is the last day, right? Friday, I'm running Friday at the same track. So you run tomorrow at Bradenton, I run Friday on Bradenton.
Okay.
And then we'll see who got faster hands.
After I make a pass.
Nah.
Okay.
You get the whole fucking week. I just get one day.
Oh, we gotta make the pass. You gotta finish it. So
yeah, I know that. I gotta show you how to do that 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, but you gotta do it with this hand, right? It's different.
Well, I can use both hands. Don't ask me how I know. We've
been here for approximately 69 hours. We started at that end of the track by the quarter mile, and we had to loop around, come this way. We got teched, and now we're heading on another 4-wide line to get stickers put on the car. So technically, we've been here since
12.
12, yeah.
12.
We've been here since 12, and it is 5:30. So we've been here for a minute registering. It is like around 350 cars that are here. A lot of people, only one day to do it. So, but it's whatever. Rain's been holding out, and we're all good. You know, we got our lucky Doritos. We got this 35-pound boost gauge. We're only gonna see 11 of it. Bro, 7 fucking hours to get teched.
You made it.
Alright, now we get the stickers. Michael Vargas.
Staining freaks
Yeah. How's that?
with the rotary?
Yeah.
You should. I have another rotary, but they didn't run freaks. So,
Okay.
So you win the class.
yep,
I just got finished, right?
that's right. Do have to do that.
Hey, congrats, mate. You're almost there, halfway there. Get the rest of the car while you're at it.
Man, you know what? I've heard that all day, man.
Burn.
Ah, dude. Reverse burn.
Believe it or not, man. Like, hey, man, just keep moving. Just keep moving, man.
Yeah,
need
good old-
something
good
more
old-
original.
Good old dad jokes.
Yeah. Ah, shit. I forgot about that. Right-hand drive. Now that's a good spot because the gauges are there, so it's not going to matter.
Okay.
But yeah.
Nice.
You're not gonna go fast for it to matter, relax.
Good day. We pulled the impossible and we got this car teched and everything done. We already got our sticker and pretty much we're gonna go to Cooper's house, relax, hang out, and then tomorrow morning, first pass, and then we have to go to Orlando.
Don't touch those.
I was driving in front of you.
I mean, I drove back and forth from the track already like 4 times like that. I can feel the strap, which is nice, so I know if it's like loosening, or I can just like, you know, check it out at least every now and then. Well, you boys ready? First passes of the week.
Yeah.
Man.
See what we can do.
We got dad the first thing in the morning.
Yeah, I know. I had to come wake you guys up.
I know, man.
I
I
didn't
was
think
having
you guys
a
would
good
make it.
dream and everything.
It sucks because the driver's meeting's at 8 o'clock, but we probably won't make a first pass till like fucking
4.
yeah.
Let's get something to eat.
Yeah, we probably won't make a first pass till
Man,
like
you look sleepy as hell still.
me.
Yeah.
So food and gas.
Yeah, we'll stop at Wawa. I know you guys don't have that up there.
We don't have. Yeah, we do.
Yeah, we do, man. Not in California.
I always say that to
What
John.
we
every
don't
time.
have is a gas gauge. That's a.
If only every trip was that good and that short, right?
Yeah, I wish.
And you get some oil, but your shit was
Closing, I
smoking.
guess. What, mine?
Yeah.
It's actually transmission fluid burning off the header.
All right. Not too bad then.
Nah.
Alright guys, so right now we're on the way to the track. We just left at Wawa, fill the tank up. We may have to figure out an issue with the rear of the car because we have fumes coming into the car of gas. It might be in the back or the front. We have to figure that out because it's gonna be a long drive. But other than that, I mean, the car's running pretty good. Might still worry about his drift wheels in front of the car, but You got drift wheels too, man.
Yeah, dude, drifty boy. I got a welded diff too. Well, it's a spool, but pretty much the
You
same
got
thing.
you got welded diff and drift wheels.
Go through the week. Speaking of notes or questions, when we're done with this meeting, immediately following the meeting, I'll be behind the grandstands. Lonnie will eventually be at the lanes. You can talk to him if you have any questions, and we'll get through those.
We got all the stuff we need in the car. We have we pretty much brought a tote that we threw some stuff on. So after the event, we're gonna go get a bag. We're gonna get some cleaning stuff because the car is dirty. After today's pass, I mean, and right now we gotta go get the windshield banner, which is at the tent over there. And after that, we'll be just sitting in line, getting ready to make a pass. I'm just gonna keep it around 5,000-6,000. We're just gonna roll off the line, get a clean pass because I don't want to end up like, you know, on the side right here trying to find a tranny or anything.
This thing was in the 9s yesterday. Now he has to run 10 flat or slower, so make sure they put the right tune-up in it. This is Jacob Raymer, 2019.
That's not bad for 11 pounds. Like literally, I left easy, so I did a 1.7 60 foot leaving easy, and it did an 11.7 just cruising. Like I wasn't even like beating on it, dude. And we can't pass 11.5 because we have no cage, so we'll get kicked out.
Let's pack up, get the fuck out.
No, yeah, let's pack up, dude. We brought a 11-second rotary. Pump gas, 11 pounds, something that we threw together with parts off the floor. Like, it's fucking crazy.
And it's faster than Red Rocky.
Yeah, it's fast. Alright, so now we're driving to the next, first checkpoint. We have to do 2 checkpoints. First one, we gotta take a picture next to a train. Second one is a bit, I have to look at the instructions, but I believe it's like a store or whatever. So it's an hour away. We're making our first drive. Everything seems fine. You know, all our gauges aren't working, but you know, I have faith that we are not overheating.
I don't think so. Just the wheel. That guy with the truck with you guys?
Crap. We're fixing the car in the middle of an intersection right now. So it looks like Cooper's caliper came off and it put a hole in the wheel. And luckily it happened right when we were pulling into the light. And now when we were just going like 60, 70 miles an hour down this road. You know, it's like a 60-mile-an-hour road, but if that would have happened at high speeds, it would have been bad. So right now the car won't move. They're gonna put the wheel, put the caliper on, and get it back to a safe spot. The checkpoint is about 2 minutes that way, so we're almost there. So at least if we can get it out of here and we can work on it over there, we still got one more checkpoint to go to tonight. But this is turning out to be a long night. You guys know Cooper's our buddy and we're here to help him. So we're at the first checkpoint. This train right here. So that's checkpoint number 1. We gotta take a picture and submit it tomorrow. Turns out Orlando's canceled. It's gonna get rained out. It's gonna rain all day. So we're just gonna show up to Orlando, give him the pictures, and then we go to Gainesville. All right, so we made it to checkpoint
Head
number
north
2.
toward US 192 East, then turn right onto US 192 East.
We gotta take a picture in front of one of the attractions. We just did that. So now we're done with the checkpoints part. So we're gonna go the hotel now.